Oh, look at the door. The imprint. Down the train, as soon as you come out, bam! Let it out.
Probably let her go. She won't be able to get out.
Yes, you will.
Hey. Hey.
Get her. Stella. Get her.
They're staying in the shallow parts. Little lazies. All right, let's Whoa.
Oh, man.
Whoa.
Should I push you?
Look at this. Look at this. It's
gonna
up
push you.
past my knees.
Hold that phone and push you hard. Feels good. Oh, look at it.
I am getting it. Look at Suki. Try to push her, like pull over here so she does.
She basically is.
Oh, she's not heavy enough. Cheater. Look at Attila just like makes a huge
Get out of
path.
there.
See
Yep.
that?
Yeah, I know.
Look at poor things. They're trying to go to the bathroom in this.
There we go.
Ooh, there's snow in my pocket.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Okay. Attila loves it. She's like, whoa. I'm gonna. Look at this. You can see the wall. I mean, this is not a foot of snow. This is incredible. All right. Say bye to the camera.